Hey everybody, my name's Corbin. I work with Titan Plumbing and Electric, and today I'm cutting open an 11-year-old 40-gallon electric water heater. Let's take a look at what's on the inside. All right, everybody, I've cut open the water heater, and come take a look at this. For once, we have a heater that seems to be that it was flushed during the lifetime of the heater. You can see we have very little sediment. The drainage port is wide open, nothing blocking the way. Of course, with water heaters, you're gonna have a little bit of sediment on the bottom, but this is way better than those mounds and mounds of sediment. This heater was running effectively, efficiently. It didn't lose any water quantity. All the elements are free of any bogging down of the sediment buildup. This is what it should look like on the inside of a water heater. This is what your water heater needs to look like when you give us a call at 813-933-8010 or visit our website, titanplumbingelectric.com.